Alright guys, what's up? So, working on this PW80. I was testing this guy out and I see that I wasn't getting any spark. So I have my meter here, have my voltmeter. This is a multimeter, but I was checking the resistance, I was checking for continuity, and then I was also kick-starting the bike and testing to see if I could see any voltage coming out of this, and I didn't see anything. But alright guys, so finally figured out what was going wrong. Seemed like it was an electrical problem. I had two wires crossed, or the previous owner had two wires crossed. Either way, we figured it out and we now have spark. So let me show you. Alright, so I'm going to put this back together. We'll get the fuel tank on there and we'll see if we can't start this guy up. So here we are. We got spark, we got compression, we got the cylinder, the top end back on. We're going to put this bike together, mix up some 2-cycle fuel mix, and then see if it'll start. Alright guys, the moment of truth. Let's see what happens. So right off the bat, you can see that the Kickstarter's not coming back up. So we might have to look into that later. It's not looking too good, guys. So when I opened up this carburetor, it was really nasty. I thought I could get away with just cleaning it, but it looks like that's not going to be the case. So I might have to order a new carburetor and hopefully that will work. But for now, I don't think this kicking the bike is gonna work, because it doesn't even seem like there's fuel getting into the cylinder. try push starting it, see if that'll help. Alright guys, so there you have it. Still more work to be done. I'm going to order a new carburetor and hopefully that will get this bike started. In the meantime, stay tuned. Let me know what you guys think. If you like, comment below. Hit that subscribe button. I got a lot more projects coming. I got an 84 CR500 Honda that I'm going to redo. And I have a 2004 KTM EXC 450 that we're also doing. See you guys soon.